to a beautifully designed studio apartment in the heart of Manhattan that perfectly combines comfort, style, and functionality. The main living area offers plenty of room for both relaxation and entertainment, with large windows that fill the space with natural light and showcase captivating city views. The kitchen is thoughtfully equipped with sleek stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, blending modern convenience with elegant design. Perfect for cooking and entertaining. The studio's layout allows for a defined sleeping area, complemented by rich wooden flooring that adds warmth and sophistication. This apartment embodies the charm of efficient urban living, a perfect opportunity for those seeking a stylish, serene space in Manhattan. Don't miss the chance to make this beautiful home yours.